Once more classes, welcome back our YouTube channel Tech Officers. Today we'll discuss about most important classes, nursing officers, staff nurse nursing exam and other nursing competitions exam degree diploma important questions. So watch till end videos and with answers comment box. Question number first, show your screens. Ask about questions first. The most sensitive indicator of neurological status change in options A, level of consciousness, options B, speech, option C, behavior, options D, cognitive functions. Your right answer options A, change in LOC. Level of consciousness is the earliest and most sensitive indicator of neurological status. Question second. Celiac disease, also called gluten sensitive enteropathy, affect which part of GI tract? Options A, duodenum, options B, large intestine, option C, small intestine, option D, stomach. Question second, answer correct, options C, small intestine. Why this about explain? Into celiac disease, gluten enteropathy, the amino acid glutamine present into the gluten protein start to the accumulated, which the very toxic to intestinal mucous cells. It mainly affect the small intestine villi and microvilli, the part intestine mostly. Questions third. Which factor present in breast milk may causes jaundice in newborn? Means newborn jaundice conditions for breast milk which present. Options A, galactose, options B, pregnenolone, option C, glucuronidase transferase, options D, IgA. Your right answers options B, pregnenolones and beta glucuronidase present in the breast milk inhibit the conjunctions and excretions of bilirubin, which may causes jaundice in newborn. That mostly reason. Questions number 4, your screen. Which vitamin is found in lemon and orange? Vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D. Comment answer. Friends, right answers vitamins found in lemon and orange, vitamin C. About discuss some vitamin C related. Vitamin C is found in other citrus foods such as orange and lemon. Deficiency of vitamin causes scurvy. The chemical name of vitamin is ascorbic acid for vitamin C. Question number 5 on screen. Which vitamin does convert prothrombin to thrombin? Most important questions for staff nurse and nursing exam. Options A, vitamin A, options B, vitamin K, option C, vitamin D, option D, vitamin B2. Your right answer B options, vitamin K. Vitamin K, why reasons about vitamin K play a circular role in the blood clotting process by the assisting in the convergence of the prothrombin to thrombin. Thrombin is a key enzyme in the clotting cascade that help to convert fibrinogen into fibrin, which form the basic blood clots. Without sufficient vitamin K, the blood ability to clot properly is impaired. Then mostly vitamin K. Questions number 6, your screen. The volume range of CVP is, means normal range of CVP. Options A, 5 to 50 centimeter H2O, 10 to 50 centimeter H2O, 5 to 10 centimeter H2O, 10 to 20 centimeter H2O. Options for screen. Comment answers, friends. Your right answer C. Options 5 to 10 centimeter H2O. Questions number 7th on screen. The ask about the first actions of during ventricular fibrillation. O2 therapy, cardiac monitoring, CPR, proper positioning. First actions during ventricular fibrillations. Right answers option C, CPR. Questions number 8. Ask about most using antiseptic solutions in OT and ICU. Options A, povidone iodine. Options B, sodium hypochlorite. Option C, formaldehyde. Options D, glutaraldehyde. Your right answer options A. Questions number 9th on screen. Ask about questions. The nurse prepare to administer and the intramuscular injections to a 4-month-old infant. The nurse select which is the best site of the administer the injections. Options A, gluteus. Options B, lateral deltoid. Option C, rectus femoris. Options D, vastus lateralis. Comment answer friends. Questions number 9th about a nurse prepare administer to an intramuscular means IM injections 4-month-old infant. Now about questions. The nurse select which is the best site of the administer injections. Your right answers options D, vastus lateralis. Why? Because the vastus lateralis muscles on the anterolateral aspect of the thick in the recommended injection site for infant and under 1 year old. It's provide the safe and effective locations for medications delivery. So right answers options D. Questions number 10th. The only artery which supply deoxygenated blood means only one artery which supply deoxygenated blood. Mostly repeated questions. Options A, hepatic artery. Options B, pulmonary artery. And option C, gastric artery. Options D, renal artery. Your questions answer right. Options B, pulmonary artery. Why? Because some point discuss about this pulmonary artery related. The pulmonary artery are a pair of blood vessels that transport deoxygenated blood from the heart to the lungs. Heart to friends, your lungs. The pulmonary artery are the considered great vessels, mostly noticed, and are unique because they are the only arteries to body that carry deoxygenated blood. Questions number 11, your screen. In ECG, the P wave represent. ECG means electrocardiography. In the PQRS wave type, then P wave, what is the represent? Options show your screen. P wave related. Options A, arterial depolarizations. Options B, ventricular depolarization. Option C, ventricular repolarizations. Options D, arterial repolarizations. Multiple questions, change your options. Questions P wave represent. Your right answers options A, arterial depolarizations. Some point about the P wave. Electrocardiograph, ECG or EKG represent arterial depolarization, which is the electrical activity associated with the contractions of the arteria. The type of heart 4 chambers and right and left atrium and ventricles. Then ECG arteria. This is the first way seen is the normal ECG indications the initiation of the heartbeat as the electrical impulse travels through the arteria, causing them of the contract and pump blood into the ventricles. This part, ventricle. Next questions, BMI for underweight. BMI for underweight. BMI means questions body mass index. Questions about for underweight means underweight. Options A 30 to above. Options B 18.5 to 24.9. Option C 25 to 29.9. Options D below to 18.5. Comment answers these questions. Your right answers options D less than 80.5. Why? Underweight BMI less than 18.5 and normal weight BMI between the 18.5 to 20, overweight BMI between the 25 and 29.9, and obese BMI above to 30. Then high conditions. For you questions for next classes discuss these questions about. So answers friends, next classes time to questions ask about fertilizations of ovum in female takes place. Means fertilizations of ovum in female takes place. Options A vagina, options B oviduct, option C uterus, options D cervix. Thank you for watching. Discuss about lengthy classes for next playlist. Check out nursing live classes and welcome platform to Nursing Tech Official's YouTube channel. Always nursing vacancies, admit card results and other live classes update. For like, comment, share and subscribe your friends. I hope you class like. Meet new next class. Thanks for watching.